Hi, I'm Michael McGinnis. I'm the CEO here at FFR. Currently I'm in our San Diego branch office, and today I'm going to review some insight on how we could possibly help you with the right investment. Currently we are a due diligence company who evaluates and represents system traders and system developers. But many years ago, when we were new to trading and investing, our team tried to find successful investment strategies that worked. But just like you, we ran into the same walls. Come upstairs and learn more. So, what we quickly discovered is that without the right tools and knowledge, finding an investment strategy that is real and successful was very difficult. We ended up developing a reliable 8-step certification process. This process has built-in checks and balances for evaluating any strategy or system that we run across. Let's go into my office and I'll cover a few of the steps. A few of the steps in our process to ensure that our traders are real and successful. We require them to have a minimum of 10 to 20 years of trading experience. They also have to provide us with their actual brokerage account statements as well as trading performance. The traders have to be registered or have been registered with a governing agency. And we want to make sure that they have the proper rules in place for money management and risk protection. Our goals are simple here at FFR. We work with real and successful professionals so that we can align you with a strategy that fits your investing needs.
Hi, my name is Ryan and I've been with FFR Trading for about 6 months now. So far I have been really impressed with my investments with them. I started a business and I'm hoping to get some capital to help start up that business, and FFR came highly recommended to me, and I have an expected rate of return of about 6% a month, which is really enticing. And with the diversification of the traders and the strategies that I have currently, I am hitting that benchmark and I'm very pleased with it. All the strategies that I'm currently actively trading in the last 4 months have netted me about a 50% rate of return on my investment, which is about 12.5% per month. Even though that's not true for all the strategies, the diversification has kept that 6% benchmark in line. And what I love most though is that aside from the great return, FFR Trading's constantly been in contact with me. We have a monthly phone call, and for the strategies that aren't performing either due to market conditions or for whatever reason, we've come up with a unique solution to mitigate that. That's probably what I love most about working with FFR Trading. They are actively working to resolve them, and that customer feedback and that constant communication is what really stands out for me. So I look forward to working with them for the long term, and look forward to more amazing returns this year.
Hey guys, Max here with FFR Trading. I am the CFO and Senior Trading Analyst. I am at our Texas branch. I know that Michael just walked you guys through our San Diego branch, but I just want to kind of stroll you through a little bit here and let you see what our office here in Texas looks like. I'm going to take you into my personal office so that we can sit down and talk a little bit more extensively about our process and our products. Welcome back, guys. So now you've seen our San Diego office and some of our Texas office, and now you're sitting where my magic happens, which is at my desk behind these computer screens, most of the time looking at charts or evaluating new strategies, or looking at the current strategies that we have, making sure that the current market conditions are poised to produce the best results for the strategies that we're currently utilizing. But what I really wanted to do is spend a little bit of time and talk a little bit more extensively about the 8-step certification that my business partner Michael was talking to you guys about. The real reason that it was developed is because many years ago we were very much like you, looking for successful, real trading and investment strategies and vehicles for us to be able to reach and obtain our own personal financial goals through these types of strategies. What we found is that we spent thousands of hours, thousands of dollars to find that most of the stuff that's out there, 95 to 99% of it, was all garbage. And these were people that we call gurus that were developing, educational products that really didn't have any merit behind them. No one really audited any of the numbers or information that they provided. We would, probably the same as you guys. You've probably seen things like, this strategy is 95% accurate. Well, that's all great. Well, what about the 5% when it's not accurate? What's the money management system behind it? Hitting these big, huge profit percent returns and whatnot is all great as long as we understand what the money management side of it is and what the risk management of it is. And those are the things that are most important. So we developed a bunch of questions that we feel, if asked, and if it's a strategy that is real, that has had success, then it's verifiable. We can audit trading records. The developer should have their own money in it. If they're trying to sell a trading strategy, then they should be trading their own money with it. At least that's the way that we feel. So where we're at is that we'd like to sit down and offer you guys something that my business partner and I normally don't do, which is a one-on-one consultation with one of the two of us, so that we could explain in more depth that 8-step certification, determine what it is that your goals are, whether you're looking for passive income because you're already retired and you want to have a better retirement, or you're going to be retired, you're pre-retired, and the fixed income that you're going to live on isn't going to be enough for the lifestyle that you are looking for. Or you've got kids that are going to be hitting college soon, and you want to make sure that there's enough money for them to be able to do that. Whatever those reasons are, we've got a number of questions that we can sit down and talk to you guys about and determine what it is that you're looking for. And frankly, at the end of that conversation, you're going to learn a ton of information. Whether we decide that we're going to do business together or we tell you that we don't feel the things that we have are going to match up with what it is that you're trying to do, you're still going to gain a wealth of information. And you know what? Down the road, when you walk out there to go and look for some other investment vehicle, no matter what type of market it's in, real estate or anything, you're going to be better equipped to be able to make those decisions. Most of the time, when you come through our company, through the joint venture partners, you're going to be assigned to one of our individual account managers, and they go through and ask a lot of those things. But I'm sure you guys know, you've done business or you've owned businesses or whatnot. If you get the opportunity to be able to sit down and speak with the people that have gone through, developed the company, and like ourselves, we were you guys at the very beginning, that's much more valuable typically than going down. Our account managers are great, they're trained very well, and I think that once we determine whether or not the things that we have are going to match up with what you're looking for, which I believe if you're looking for finding real successful trading and investing strategies that have the ability to produce anywhere from 50 to more than 100% return, and understanding the actual risk management profile of each one of those strategies, we won't have a problem with moving forward and doing business. And then you will be assigned to one of those individual account managers so that they can help you service your account moving forward in the many years that you'll be with us. But on the front side of it, we'd love to offer you guys the ability to sit down with the one of the two of us, and we'll spend whatever time is necessary to get you better educated so that you can make those decisions on your own. So feel free, fill that form out. One of our assistants will get back with you and schedule that appointment so that you can get your 2019 started off right, in the right direction, so that we can hit those goals moving forward. I appreciate it. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll talk soon.